In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make Apple Watch notifications vibrate. All you have to need, enable haptic. To do that, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. And here you will find this haptic option. Tap on that and make sure you have turn on the haptic. You can select default or you can select prominent. I'm selecting here default. And now on, whenever you get any notification, your Apple Watch will be vibrate. And now I will show you how to enable notifications vibrate for only specific apps. To do that, you have to jump into your iPhone and open the Watch app. From My Watch, you have to tap on Notifications. And here scroll down and find out the app you want to enable notifications vibrate for. For example, I want to enable vibrate notifications for my messages, so I'm tapping on Messages. And here under alerts, you find haptic. So must enable haptic option. So select here custom and alerts enable haptic. And that's how you can just go ahead and enable vibration alerts for specific apps. And now, if you want vibration only, no sound, then use the silent mode on your Apple Watch. Just press the power button to go to your control center. In control center, scroll down and here you get this silent mode icon. Just tap on that to enable silent mode. Once your Apple Watch in silent mode, now on whenever you get any notifications, no sound will be played, only vibrations will work. Thanks for watching.